It's one of those aircraft you look at, it looks fascinating, it looks intriguing, unique bomb load layout, it looks like a mosquito, the Russian version. Let's take a look at this fascinating kit, shall we? Greetings fellow modelers, and here we have, from ORLIK, the Petlakov, the PE2. Now, look at this, beautiful looking plane. This kit is from 2005. The fifth design, really liking the look of this kit. Like, the presentation, outstanding. Scale is 133, of course. And you know what I said there? English instructions. You can download that. And that was in 2005, yeah? So as you can see, this is instruction. Naturally, looking at it closely, it's in Polish. I love the cover of this. It's very thick, right? It carries a semi-sheen, but look at that. It's really thick. Lovely. Look at this. They give you artwork, and I guess it stretches around to the back. So it's a full portrait they give you, right, of the model. That would make a nice presentation in the den. I can put it in the corner somewhere, tack it on to poster board. That should be good. And here's the instruction for the fuselage. You notice the build up? It looks complicated, yes? So we'll take our time. It's sort of similarly reminding me of when I did the Heinkel from GPM. You see the internal layout? It's really nice looking. I love the step-by-step there. And here you see for the main wing and the tail. I think what caught me is a tail. I think more than anything else, the twin rudder configuration, sort of like those early French bombers. And these now are the cross section that you will now glue onto a proper thick card stock, like a 1mm or 0.5 millimeter thick card stock, to make it work. That will form the framework. And here is a wing framework layout. Nice. You notice how it's integrated? Well, let me see something here. Yeah. So it shows you how to integrate the main wing panels, framework, and this now is what I live for. This is a 150 gram sheet. It's really thick. And here we have the stabilizer, rudder, fin, and elevator. For 2005 kit, nice representation of rivet joint. They show the prop blades. I like how the star is assembled so you can see how to fold. The engine cowling, nice. And you notice there are two sets of bay doors below the engine cowling. One set is for bomb, and here are the bomb. Not bad. Look at the instrument panel. It's pretty decent. Double asterisk, I think that says, hey, you're going to put this on a 1mm thick backing. The canopy framework, that should be interesting to build. The control yoke, that's nice. Those nice little touches. I think for those, I will get like solder wire and just make it a little more realistic at 133 scale. And looking at this now, you can see the template for the plastic. This you cut for the canopy. So what I'm going to do is cut, fold, and then use a heat gun to shape the canopy. Here we have the gunner's ammo. Those are the flaps, clearly. This look like the landing gear struts. the seatbelt harness for the pilot and navigator gunner. And here we have the wire framework. This is to help with the arrangement of the canopy. And here now is the fuselage. This is key. Now, when I build models like these, I pay the bulk of the time on the nose of the fuselage because that is the focal point of your model. And here we have the inboard main wing panel. Look at this. Nice. Now, if there was an update to this kit, that would be lovely, but this so far is not bad. It is really not bad. Liking it, genuinely liking it. And the white spinner. I love this method of assembly of spinner than the flower pattern. And here we have the outboard wing panel. Careful consideration when cutting. You see how close those wing panels are where the aileron is? Yes, so care must be taken there. And here we have some other framework template. These are for the main wing panel. You see the wing card, the airfoil, the engine framework, and some more instructions, the landing gear. Why do I have the feeling that this author was the same one who designed the Heinkel? It just looks so similar. You see the bomb that is in the rear of the engine fuselage pod? That's what I'm talking about. Very interesting and unique layout. You see the prop, how to assemble a prop on the nose. Very interesting, very interesting. And then pretty much that's it. You see here the profile, it with the gears extended. You see the front view, nice. The plan, which is split in half, so you see the underside and above. A lovely kit for sure. This from ORLIK, really decent. I got it for I think less than $8 US. Highly recommended. It's one of those unique kits you would want to have in your stash. And God knows how much I have in my stash. Love this kit. So until then, my friends, as usual, take care, walk good, and as always, my friend, one love.